Hey everybody, my name is Mo and I work with the Sand Creek Regional Greenway Partnership, and today I'm going to talk with you about the 7 colors of the rainbow, and we're going to learn a song to help us remember those colors. Before we learn the song, do you guys know what a rainbow is? Where do we look if we want to see a rainbow? We have to look in the sky. And how does a rainbow get in the sky? It needs 2 things. It needs light, the sun, and water, like raindrops. And what happens is, let's say we're inside of our house because it's raining really hard outside and it's gray and dark. But then the rain goes away and the sun starts to come out. So it starts to get really bright, and we decide we want to go out inside and play. So we put on our shoes and our jackets and we run outside and we look up in the sky and we see this arch, and it's all of these really pretty colors, and that's the rainbow. But how did it get there? The sun is shining, it hits the water, and when it hits the water or those raindrops, the sunlight bends. So the sunlight goes through the water and it bends, and then it reflects back to you. And when it reflects, it creates that rainbow. So the reflection is kind of like a mirror. And it's reflecting the 7 colors that make up light. And those 7 colors of the rainbow have a name to help us remember. And that name is Roy G BIV. And we're going to learn a little bit more about those 7 colors in a little bit to help us remember. But before we do that, I want to teach you an experiment so that you can try and make a rainbow at home. So you'll need some water, a bowl, a mirror, and either a flashlight or the LED light on your phone. So you're going to take a cup of water and pour it into your bowl. And you want to put enough water so that the bowl is pretty much full but not overflowing. You're then going to take your mirror and you're going to bend it. I like to use a mirror that has a 90-degree angle so that you have a mirror on the bottom and a mirror at the top. The mirror on the bottom, you're going to completely put underneath water, so it should be completely covered by water. Okay. After you do that, you're going to take your phone or your flashlight. You want to use one that's super bright. It'll help you. It'll come out a little bit better. And you're going to turn it on. So remember how I said rainbows need light and rain or water? Well, the light on our phone is going to be the sun. And the water that I just put in the bowl, that's going to be our rainstorm. Okay? So in order to create this rainbow, you have to shine your sun, your flashlight, right on top of that mirror that's underwater. And we should see a rainbow there it is, on this piece of paper, right next to my hand. The darker the room is, the better this light you'll be able to see. And you can make different shapes out of it. So let's go ahead and get a little bit closer so that you can see what it looks like. So you can kind of bend the rainbow, make it straight, make it round. If you just move your phone around, it'll give you a bunch of different shapes that you can see, as well as a bunch of different colors. So that's how you can create a rainbow at home. But let's say you do that and you see all these colors and you just can't remember what all of these colors are. Well, I have a song to help you remember the name of these colors and the order that they show up on the rainbow. That song goes like this. I know of a boy named Roy G BIV, and he lives in the sky, nice and big. His first color is red. Red like the ladybug that flies by. I know of a boy named Roy G Biv. He lives in the sky, nice and big. His next color is orange. Orange like my favorite fruit. I know of a boy named Roy G Biv. He lives in the sky, nice and big. His next color is yellow. Yellow like the sun that keeps us warm. I know of a boy named Roy G Biv. He lives in the sky, nice and big. His next color is green. Green like the leaves on my favorite tree. I know of a boy named Roy G Biv, and he lives in the sky, nice and big. His next color is blue. Blue like the sky where birds fly, nice and high. I know of a boy. His name is Roy G Biv, and he lives in the sky, nice and big. His next color is indigo. Indigo, like the color of the sky when the stars arise. I know of a boy, Roy G Biv. He lives in the sky, nice and big. His last color is violet. I know of a boy named Roy G Biv. He lives in the sky with 7 colors of the rainbow. And those colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.